Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how to change your Google account's password, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Google account's password, first go to your Gmail app. Once you've opened your Gmail app, now go and tap your profile. And after that, go tap Manage your Google account. Now that you've opened your account manager, go and swipe to the right until you find Security tab. Once you've found it, now go and tap it. Now that you're on Security section, swipe down until you find Password. Once you've found it, go and tap it. Here, you need to enter your current account's password since Google needs to confirm that you are the one attempting to make changes to your account. So just enter your current password. And after that, you can now set a new and strong password. Google will guide you on creating a secure password. Make sure your new password is something unique and not easily guessable. And once you've finished setting up your new password, now go tap Change Password button to completely change your password. And there you go, we've successfully changed our Google account password. And so that's just how you do it guys, it's easy right? Now that you've watched this video you can now change your Google account's password yourself. I actually recommend you to do this for at least every 3 months for your account security. Especially if you have a YouTube channel, since you don't want it to be hacked. And that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope this video helped you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video, thanks for watching, goodbye.